Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Class 10 Maths lecture for the chapter Circles. We'll be starting Circles, lecture number 3rd. This is lecture number 3. One shot, lecture number 3, lecture number 1 and 2 already done. So those who have missed must watch these two lectures. The third part will be very much clear after then only. Okay. So Class 10 Maths, chapter number 10, Circles, one shot, all about the Matholics live classes. We'll be starting the session in next 1 minute. Till then, you can share with all your friends. Hello, good evening, Akash. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening. Hello, good evening, Akash. Okay, so in this chapter, till then we have learned about the lengths of tangents. Okay, the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, right? These two tangents are equal. This we have learned and we have applied this also. Okay, so now we'll be starting some good questions also. So let's start the session without wasting time. Uh, Last question, I guess this we have done, right? To prove that this plus this equals to half of perimeter, right? This was the question number 4, which is in our sheet. Okay, this question we have done. You must solve PYQs. I must not tell you again and again that you have to solve PYQs in order to have a good practice. Okay, do not practice any other book right now. It is not the correct time for all of you. You must practice PYQs only. Only PYQs could save you right now, right? Next question, let's see. In two concentric circles, prove that a chord of larger circle which is tangent to smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. Now, what does this mean? I'll let you understand, don't worry. The screen is clear? Yes or no? Screen is very much clear? Everything is clear, okay. Okay, let's start solving. This question says, see the diagram you can see, but I'll draw again, right? What does the question says actually? Question says that if two concentric circles, there are two concentric circles, prove that a chord of larger circle, which is a tangent to smaller circle, would mean this is a circle, right? Sorry. This is a circle. This is another circle which is concentric, means center is same. Center is same, right? A chord of larger circle, which is tangent to smaller, would mean this is the tangent to this smaller circle. Can you see this properly? If AB, I can write to this line, this chord. AB is a chord of the larger circle. See, AB is a chord to the larger circle. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. AB is a chord to the larger circle. Now we have to prove, and this is also the tangent. It is touching to smaller circle. It is touching the smaller circle. We have to prove that this chord, which is in the larger circle, and it is a chord to the smaller circle, it is the tangent to the smaller circle, is bisected at the point of contact. Required to prove, you have to write like this. What you have to prove? That this point, if this is P, you have to prove AP equals to BP. This thing we have to prove. Clear? Now what's the proof? Tell me how to prove. See, in this question, obviously what we have learned we'll use, right? If we connect this point, sorry, if we connect the center, if we connect the center to the point of contact, if we connect the center to the point of contact, can we say that since OP is the radius of smaller circle? Yes or no? OP is the radius of smaller circle, yes or no? Tell me in the comments. So now camera is lightly blurred. Camera is slightly blurred. Okay, wait. Ah. Is it clear now? Tell me. I guess it is clear now. Yes? Clear? Okay. Sorted? Now see, if I say that this AB is a chord of larger circle and it is tangent to the smaller circle. What do I mean? This is touching the smaller circle. And if we connect the center to the point of contact, it is going to be perpendicular, yes or no? It is going to be perpendicular, yes or no? Yes, right. So we do a construction, join this OA and this OB, right? Now we have to prove what? We have to prove that AP bisected at the point of contact means this is the point of contact P. So AP equals to BP, we have to prove. That's it, right? So we'll write in triangle OPA and triangle OPB. Can you focus onto these triangles? Two triangles, yes or no? These are two triangles, yes or no? OPA and OPB. These two triangles. This one triangle and this one triangle, right? We will write angle OPA equals to angle OPB equals to 90 degree. Reason? The point of contact, when it is connected to the center, the line, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. We have used it earlier also. Clear? Yes or no? Is this clear? Sorted. Now what to write? See, this is right angle. So this is right angle, right? Right angle. Have you heard about the RHS congruence criteria? Have you heard about the RHS congruence criteria? We are going to use in this question. Now I'll write, this is right angle. Now OA is equals to OB. Why? Radius. It is radius, right? And also it is the hypotenuse for these triangles. 90 degree, opposite side is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, sir. And OP equals to OP common. OP equals to OP common side. Side which is common. Right? So it is nothing but the side. So can I say by RHS? See, RHS. By RHS, by RHS, triangles are congruent. Triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPB. It implies by CPCT we can write what? By CPCT, congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. Hence proved. Copy it. You know how we proved? Right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS criteria, triangles are congruent. If the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. Copy it. Hello to everyone. Good evening. No questions could be solved. This is not any ask it out session. Copy this. I cannot speak in Hindi. This lecture is especially for South Indian students who have problem in Hindi, right? So this is in English, total in English. Done. Done, so that we can move forward. I guess it's done now, right? Taking more time is also hazardous for you. Try to copy it in a fast manner. Next, two concentric circles are of radii 13 and 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the outer circle which touches the inner circle, right? Diagram, first you have to draw diagram. Two concentric circles, that means like this, you have to draw the diagram. Now, two concentric circles are of radii 13 and 5 centimeter, would mean its radius capital R is 13 centimeter and its radius small r is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now see, what to do now? See. In this question, you have to find the length of the chord of the outer circle. This one. This length we have to find out. That's it. This is the length which we have to find out. Now, how to do? How to solve this? Obviously, you must connect this point to this point. This will be 90 degree. And you connect this point to this point. This is larger radius. Larger radius would mean 13, right? This smaller radius, this is the smaller radius, that means this is 5. So in triangle OA, this is, if this is B, this is C. In triangle OAC, can you clearly see? Can you clearly see that OA is equals to 13? This OC is equals to 5 centimeter. So in this triangle, if you apply trigonometry, sorry, if you apply that Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. Can I write OA square, sorry, OC square plus AC square, that's equals to OA square. How many of you got this point? By which theorem I have done this? By Pythagoras theorem, can I write that OA square equals to OC square plus AC square? Yes or no? Yes. So OC square is 13, OC square is 5, I'll write 5 square. Plus what is AC square? Let's see. What is OA square? It's 13 square. So AC square is equals to 13 square would mean 169 minus this is 25. So that's 144. So can you tell me what is AC? Square root of 144, that means 12 centimeter. It implies we need know that AB is what? This is double of this AC, yes or no? AB is double of this AC. So AB will be what? Just double. 2 into 12, 24 centimeter. Copy this. Answer. AB equals to 24 centimeter. Copy this. AB equals to 24 centimeter. Copy. Yes, theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Done. I guess it's done now. Yes or no? Done. So just learn to practice different types of questions. That's it. Theory we have done almost theory we have done. We just need to practice questions. Now in the given figure, PD is a common tangent. See, this is another good question. These questions are, see, these questions can come as it is in your exams, right? In the given figure, what the figure says? The figure says PT is a common tangent, right? I'll draw it again. This is bigger circle, larger circle, right? And it's a smaller circle, right? Start drawing figure along with me. In the given figure, PT is a common tangent, right? This is a common tangent, PT. This is what is a common tangent? Which is common to both of these circles, yes or no? PT is a common tangent. This is point P, this is point T. Okay. Now AB is what? Touching externally at P. This tangent is touching the circle externally at P. This point is P. Okay. And AB is another common tangent touching circles at A and B respectively. See, if this is the tangent, wait. Right, this is a tangent. This point is A, this point is B, and this intersection point is what? This point is T, right? Can you see the figure properly? Everyone can see the figure properly? Yes or no? 12 plus 12 or 12 into 2? Yes, exactly same. Exactly. Twice of that, na? In that question, we know that, sorry, this was the question, right? This was the question, right? This AC is what? This half of AB. So if you have to find AB, you just have to double AC. AC was 12, so AB is 24. Okay. Now, in this question, what the question is saying? PD is a common tangent. Okay, this is touching the circle externally at P. This point is P. Okay, okay. Another common tangent touching the circle at A. And prove that T is the midpoint of AB. What we have to prove? Required to prove. Can I write it here? Required to prove. See, what I have to prove, I am writing here. Required to prove. Yes. First point. T is the midpoint of AB would mean AT equals to BT. AT is equals to BT. This we have to prove. Second, angle APB equal to 90 degree. That means this angle APB. Okay, so we have to connect this, obviously, yes. APB. This angle you have to prove it is 90 degree. Okay, so let's see where this goes. Let's see. And X and Y are centers of, okay, this is given that X and Y are centers. X and, okay, another, anything else we have to prove? Show that the circle on AB has diameter. Okay. Third point we'll prove at the end. First we need to prove these two. Tell me in this question we have, okay, proof. Now see, we have to prove this AT equals to PT. Can I say AT equals to TP? Tangents from external points are equal in length. External point are equal. Yes or no? Tangents from exterior point are equal. Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? Equals to TP. Right? This AT, see, I must draw with this pink color. This AT, is it equals to this TP? Also this TP is equals to TB, BT. Yes or no? Yes, sir. I can also write that AT equals to TP and BT is equals to TP. This BT is also equals to TP. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So if this is 1, this is 2, from 1 and 2, TP, TP same, it implies AT equals to BT. First part is done. First part. Now coming on to the second part. Yes or no? Now coming on to the second part. Yes or no? Got it? Now see. We have to prove angle APB. APB equals to 90 degree. How to prove this? How to prove this? See. Can I say if this part is equal to this part, so this angle is equal to this angle? This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Can I say angle 1 equals to angle 2? We'll say because AT is equals to TP, opposite angles are equal. This will be an isosceles triangle. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. Also because TB equals to TP, this part is equal to this part. So this angle will be equals to this angle. If this is 3, let's say this is angle 3. Oh my God, the space is very low. Wait. Let's say this is angle 3, this is angle 4. So angle 3 will be equals to angle 4. It implies angle 3 equals to angle 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right. So in this triangle, now in triangle APB, the bigger triangle, this triangle, right? In this triangle, can I say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4? It is equals to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of a triangle, ASP. Angle sum property of a triangle, we can say, yes, this is their sum is 180 degrees. So now angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So I'll write instead of this angle 2, this is angle 2 plus angle 3 as it is, plus what is angle 4? Angle 4 is also angle 3, 180 degree. What I have done, I have changed this 1 and 4 as 2 and 3 because 1 was 2 and angle 4 was angle 3. So twice of angle 2, twice of angle 3. So twice of angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is what? 180 by 2, 90 degrees. What is angle 2 plus angle 3? Can you tell me? This complete angle, isn't it? This is the angle. So angle APB is equals to 90 degrees, hence proved. Clear? Yes. Third point, we have to prove that if x and y are centers of two circles, show that the circle on AB as diameters touches the line xy. Show that the circle with AB as diameter touches the line xy. Show that the circle on AB as diameter. Show that the circle, I'll write it here, circle on AB as diameter touches the line xy. Touches the line x. This we have to prove. So third part, see, it's oral. Third part, if I write it here only. Third part, how to do? See, we have proved that this angle is 90 degree, right? And we know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, right? So copy this, then we'll be solving third part. Copy this first. Copy this. Write everything, what you have to prove, what we have to do, required to prove, then proof. First draw the diagram. Try to draw the diagram yourself. Draw this diagram. Do not draw this diagram. Do not skip this. Hello, good evening. Solve, copy it. Let me know if you have done. Yes, all these questions, maximum of these questions are from PYQs. Done? Okay. So this was second part, not third part. If x and y are centers of these two circles, this is given that x and y are centers. Let's say this is x, right? Let's say this point is y. Okay. It's saying that show that the circle on AB as diameter. If a circle is drawn on AB as diameter, right? It this circle, if a circle is drawn on AB as diameter, it touches the line XY. If XY is connected, if XY is connected like this, right? They say the circle will touch XY. See, the circle goes like this, yes or no? We have to prove that this circle touches the line XY. If AB is the diameter, we say angle APB, this is P, because angle APB is equals to 90 degree. It implies this arc APB. Arc APB is a semicircle. Is a semicircle. Yes or no? If we just see, imagine the diagram like this now. See, right? If this is a circle, this is not drawn to scale, right? First thing. If a circle is drawn, see, the circle is touching XY, yes or no? Is it visible now? Tell me. Is it visible now? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes, it's clear. Yes, this circle, if it is drawn A with AB as diameter, they say that this circle will touch XY at point P. If this is the circle, this is touching XY at P. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So now we'll say because angle APB, this is 90 degrees. Yes or no? This angle is 90 degree. We have already proved. We already proved that this angle is 90 degree, right? An angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. Yes, sir. This is the semicircle, right? Yes or no? This is a semicircle. See. So we'll say arc APB. This is arc. Right? Arc APB is a semicircle. It implies, because P lies on XY, it implies circle touches what? Copy this. Touches XY at P. Line XY at P. That's it. This is how we are going to prove. Circle touches the line XY at P, hence proved. So you must need to learn, you actually learn to memorize the theorems also. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. This is a theorem which we have used here. Because this angle is 90 degree, so we will say APB is a what? This is a semicircle. This is a circle, nothing but. Okay. AB is the diameter, that's it. Copy, copy, copy. Copy it ASAP. Copy. Done? Okay, let's solve another question. This is example number 7th. Okay. Okay. Now this is another question. Two circles of radii 25 and 9 centimeter touch each other externally. Externally means one circle is this, another circle is like this. Find the length of the direct common tangent. One circle is this. I'll draw the diagram. Wait. Diagram must be very much clear. Okay. Oh. Okay. I don't know why I'm not able to draw circles. Wait. Okay. Be more accurate. Okay. One circle is this. And another circle. Let's say this is another circle. Smaller one. Okay. Okay. This is good. Right? These are two circles. These touch externally, right? These circles are touching each other externally. Okay. Now see. These are two circles. Radius are 25 centimeter. Its radius is 25 centimeter. Its radius is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now, find the length of the direct common tangent. What is the direct common tangent? This is the direct common tangent. That is PQ. You have to find the length of PQ, right? Obviously, centers must be given. This is center A. This is center B. Okay. Now we'll solve. You have to find this length PQ. PQ length we have to find out. Right. Now, how to do this? How to do this? See, very beautiful question and very amazing trick we will be using in this question. See, if you connect this center with this circle, center of the circle to this circle, let's say this is this. Okay, clear? This is going like this. This is not parallel to this. Okay. Let's say we have to find what? We have to find length of this PQ. If we connect to this is 90 degree, yes or no? Also, if you connect this to this point, this will be 90 degree, yes or no? Yes. That means these two lines are parallel. This is parallel to this, yes or no? This point is clear, yes or no in the comments, right? This point is clear, yes or no in the comments. Right. So, if we actually draw a line like this, which is also perpendicular, we draw a perpendicular from here to here. Let's say this point is L, right? Draw PL perpendicular to AP. This is a construction which we have to do. Clear? Draw PL which is perpendicular to AP. BL. Draw BL which is perpendicular to AP. BL, this line, perpendicular to this line. Okay. Now, you have to find length of PQ. You have to find length of PQ. This complete length is given, yes or no? This complete length is what? 25. This is 25. 25 centimeter, you know this length. This complete length, it is 25 centimeter. This complete length, it is given as 9 centimeter, right? So what will be the length of this part? What will be the length of AL? AL will be what? Can anyone tell me in comments? Length of AL. AL will be equals to 25, this 25 minus this 9, that means 16 centimeter. Yes or no? AL is, this part is 16 centimeter. Okay, sir. If we find BL is going to be equals to PQ. Yes or no? If we find, see, if we find, this is obviously point C, right? And this is radius, this length we know, it is what? It is 25, and this length obviously radius, it is 9. So AB, I know this. AB is what? AB is 25 plus 9, that is 34 centimeter. Say yes or no? AB I know, 34 centimeter. Yes or no? Tell me. AB, I already know it is 24 centimeter. Oh, sorry, it is 34 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now what to do? I know AB, I know this length AL. Can I find BL? Because this angle is obviously 90 degree in this triangle, right? So in triangle ABL, if I use Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90, it is what? Hypotenuse. So AL square plus BL square, AL square plus BL square, it's going to be equals to AB square. That's it. In this way, you can find BL, and BL is equals to PQ. Why? Because this 90, this figure is a rectangle. This figure is a rectangle. Yes or no? Yes, sir. This figure is a rectangle. Okay. Hmm. What should I write? Tell me. AL square is what? AL is 16. So 16 square plus BL square is equals to what is AB 34 square. So BL square equals to 34 square minus 16 square. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So if we find out 34 square, it will be difficult. Use a plus b, a minus b here. Right? 34 square minus 16 square. That will be 34 plus 16 into 34 minus 16. This 50 into 18. Yes or no? Yes. 18 5 is 900. So BL square 900. So BL is going to be equals to 30 centimeter. It implies the length of PQ, the common tangent, is also what? 30 centimeters. Why? Because this figure BLPQ is a rectangle. Because figure BLPQ is a rectangle. Yes or no? It implies simply you can say BL equals to PQ. After that, you should write this. After that, you should write this. PQ is equals to 30 centimeters. Copy this. Very, very easy question and tricky. Diagram is important. Copy this, then I will move it downwards. Okay. Diagram is important. Copy, copy, copy. Hmm. Copy, copy, copy. Hello and good evening. Please wait. First, copy this question. Draw this diagram. Diagram is not given. You have to draw. So let's move to a new question. Yes, obviously done. Obviously, yes. I think this is done. Copy this one. Complete question done. Can I move forward? Okay. Let's move forward. So this was, see how beautiful question it is, right? PQ length. Common tangent length is what? This is common tangent. PQ. Length is what? It is 30 centimeters. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, PQ equals to QR. Okay, this figure is given. We'll use this figure only. PQ equals to QR. PQ is equals to QR. This length is equals to this length. Okay. Okay, you have to see the downside. Okay, see. Take 1 minute and copy ASAP. Done. Videos on. Okay, we'll try, but you must try these questions first, okay, before doing any kind of book. Okay, next. In the given figure, PQ equals to QR. Last question for today's evening. Okay, PQ equals to QR. RQP equals to, okay, I will draw the diagram. We'll draw the diagram. This is the circle given, and okay, this is a circle, and this is given as, right. Okay, this is the question, right? This point is Q, right? From here it's given it is R. This point it is Q. From here it's given it is R, and this is connected. This is given as P. Okay, and this center one. This is center, and it is given O. Okay, this is the question, right? PQ equals to QR. PQ. This length is equals to this length. Okay, this is point C. Now, what next is given? See, if you not draw diagrams, now forget about circles. Forget. No geometrical questions is going to be solved unless and until you draw the diagrams. Even if it is given, draw the diagram. Be into the question. Take actual vibe of the question, what the question is actually saying, right? RQP is 68 degrees. Angle RQP. This complete angle, it is given as 68 degrees. Okay, red color you can see easily. PC and CQ are tangents. PC, so this length will be equals to this length, yes or no? Because these are tangents from external point C, yes or no? So CP is equals to CQ. Can we say CP equal to CQ? What we have to find? Calculate values of angle QOP. QOP, this angle we have to find out. And QCP. QCP. Tell me one thing. Because PQ is equals to CP. So can I say this angle is equals to this angle? If this is angle X, this is going also be angle X. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. One more thing. Can I say, because this is the radius? Because this is the radius. Check this out, what I am saying right now. And follow the colors, okay? We have to find what? We have to find first this angle and this angle. These two angles we have to find out, right? Angle QOP. QOP, that means this angle I have to find out, right? And this angle I have to find out. You must be knowing these two angles are supplementary. We have already proved this theorem because this angle is 90, right? This complete angle is 90. Angle OPC is 90 degree. Angle OPC equals to 90 degree. Yes or no? Also angle OQC. Angle OQC equals to 90 degree. Yes or no? This angle. Only this angle, right? So these two angles are supplementary. We just have to find one angle. We'll subtract it from 180. We'll get the other angle, right? Now, if we find X, this is say 68 degrees and this side is equals to this side. So if this is 68, this complete angle is going to be equal to this complete angle. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So if I am able to find this is 68 degrees, can anyone tell me what will be the measure of angle PRQ? If this is y, this is y, so I'll say 2y plus 68 equals to 180 degrees. So 2y equals to 180 minus 68, that means 112 degrees. So y equals to 56 degrees. One thing, y equals to 56 degrees, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, this is a chord. Say this is a chord, right? Okay. It subtends this angle, y. So at the center, it will subtend double angle, yes or no? I'll draw it again for you. Now see, with this yellow color, okay. I'll say this is a chord, right? Or this is a sector. This is an arc, right? It subtends an angle something at the center. If this angle, this is on the remaining part of the segment, yes or no? If this is y, this will be 2y, yes or no? So 2y will be angle POQ. This we have to find out angle QOP, okay, QOP. Angle QOP is equals to 2y. That is 2 into 56. That is 112 degrees. That's it. Done. If this is 112 degree, if this is 112 degree, if this is 112 degree, you'll write what? Angle QCP we have to find out. See, angle QCP also we have to find out. So angle QCP will be what? Angle QCP plus angle QOP equals to 180 degree. This is a theorem. We can use it directly. So angle QCP plus 112 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So angle QCP will be equals to 180 minus 112. That means 68 degrees. That's it. Copied. This is the answer and this is the answer. 112 and 68. First angle is, let me see, 112 degrees. Okay, angle QOP. QOP 112 degree, and that is 68 degrees. Okay, I think we have done it. Yes, so you can copy this. That's it for today. Keep on copying it. This is the lecture, right? Any doubt in this question? Amazing, beautiful question. You must learn how to solve these questions. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Very good. That is the scene. You must copy this complete question. Start solving PYQs. It is high time. Any book you have, you must solve PYQ. Whether you have R.D. Sharma, whether you have done have Aryan question bank, any question bank if you have, start solving PYQs. Solve at least 10 questions from this chapter and let me know tomorrow that were you able to solve or no. Okay. So that's it. This is आपके अपने sir JP sir signing off. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Good night. Take care.